3v3 or when we do group defending, how we need to defend. What you are doing is correct. Anyone knows a little bit about group defending? Okay. So, in group defending, your two basic objective is pressing and covering. What? Yes. So he's your man, he's your man, he's your man. So your man, he has the ball. What we did in 1 versus 1? What is that quick approach? Close him down. So who has the ball? What will you do? Yes, close him. Don't stay far. What will you do now? He is pressing. No. Why you'll go to him? What will you do now? How will you cover? So he's pressing, you are covering. What is cover? I explained. Come back. You also come back. Now, come back. Come close. Come close. Yes, come back. So, when we are attacking, we need to stay wide. When we are defending, we need to stay compact. Now he is pressing his man. You are giving a cover. You are giving cover. Any through ball, any dribble, you can defend. You understand? Now pass to him. Ball is there. Whose man? What will you do? Press. Yes. What will you do? Backside. Yes. Diagonally back. Inside. Don't go there. Don't go there. Now he's going. Say to him. What will you do? Press. Yes. What will you do? Cover. Where's the ball? Shift little. Yes. Little more. One step. Yes. Play again. Yes. What to do? Yes. Like this. You understand? So you need to press, cover, shift, stay compact and communicate. Who is behind? You need to tell him. Press, cover, don't leave. Okay? Let's try. 3, 2, 1, play. When we are defending on the side, it's a little complex thing. When we are defending, how we need to defend, few things we need to fix. For example, ball doing. See, when the ball is going, how you went like this, correct? Now, when we are defending on side, we know that he can play on the line, correct? It's a difficult task. So ball to him. Don't run like this. First go towards the ball. Otherwise he can play what he did. Go back. First job is to block the line. So when the ball is going, you first come here and then go close. You understand? So first block the line, then you put pressure. You understand? Otherwise you come like this. So on the side, especially when you're defending, as a fullback, as a winger, you have to understand and remember this thing. You understand? So you have to go like this, cover. So you need to use your foot on that side. So if you're playing on the left side, you have to use your left foot to block it at any cost. If you're on the right side, you have to use your right foot. So when ball to you. Okay? So pass the ball to you. Use your left foot to dominate. Okay? Like this. Don't be like this. Otherwise you will pass. Like this. You understand? Go with him. Go with him. Dribble. Yes, stick with him. Stick with him. Stick with him. Stick with him. Stick. Now go. Now change. You understand? Play to him. Last one. Now ball goes here. So you travel like this. Travel like this. This foot blocking. You understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, block line. Yes. Very good. Too slow. Too slow. Very good block. Come on. Come on. Yes, come on. Come on. Go. Come on. Guys, I'm telling again, you're not interested to put effort, you're not ready to work, you can't play football. 8 seconds. You have the ball, you can score as much as time you want. Okay? Defend better. Pressing and covering, 1 versus 1, what we did. I want that part coming inside. Okay? Okay? Go, play. More communication, don't be silent. You need to work harder. Yes, I want good defending. Aggression, 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 communication. Very good. He has to feel you. Don't go like this. Guys, see. Here. So for example, he's here, you're defending. Defend. Now, at any moment, turn. The moment he goes, go. Any more. You understand? Don't be soft. Got it.